Are you wondering which music distribution service is better? Today, we're diving into TuneCore and DistroKid to help you decide. Both TuneCore and DistroKid help musicians get their music on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. They make it easy to share your songs with the world. Let's start with TuneCore. This platform has been around for a while. It allows artists to upload their music and keep 100% of their earnings. TuneCore also offers services like publishing, administration, and sync licensing. This means you can earn money from your music in different ways. Now, let's look at DistroKid. This service is known for its speed and simplicity. With DistroKid, you pay a yearly fee and can upload unlimited songs. They also distribute your music to many platforms quickly. One cool feature is the ability to create hyperlinks for your music, making it easy to share. So, what are the key differences? TuneCore charges per release, while DistroKid has a flat yearly fee. If you plan to release many songs, DistroKid might save you money. However, if you want more control over individual releases, TuneCore could be the better choice. When it comes to features, TuneCore offers detailed sales reports and marketing tools. DistroKid has fun features like Leave a Legacy, which lets your music stay online even if you stop paying. In terms of pricing, TuneCore can get pricey if you release a lot of music. DistroKid's yearly fee might be more budget friendly for active artists. In the end, if you're just starting or plan to release many tracks, DistroKid might be the way to go. But if you want more control and additional services, TuneCore could suit you better. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.